Students, in this module, we shall continue with the sums based on area of a sector. Let's go through this beautiful question which says, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming the umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeters, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Now students, let us understand the question in detail. The umbrella has 8 ribs and also we are supposed to assume that the umbrella is a flat circle having 8 ribs. And the radius of the circle is given as 45 centimeters. Students, we are supposed to calculate the area between the 2 consecutive ribs. Now if you observe the figure, we can see the area between the 2 consecutive ribs is nothing but the area of a sector. So tell me, what is the formula for area of the sector? Yes, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Students, let us understand the terms which are known to us. The radius of this circle is given, which is 45 centimeters. But we need to calculate the value of theta, that is the angle. For that, we can say the angle between the 2 ribs will be equal to the entire angle, that is 360, upon the number of parts, that is 8. On simplification, we get the angle between the 2 ribs, theta, is equal to 45 degrees. So now students, we can calculate the area between the 2 consecutive ribs, which was the area of the sector, is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the respective values. We have theta as 45, so we have 45 upon 360 into pi, which is 22 upon 7 into r square, and the value of radius was given to be 45 centimeters. Let us calculate the terms further. We have 45 into 1 times as 45 and 45 into 8 as 360. On dividing further, we have 2 into 4 as 8 and 2 into 11 as 22. The product of 3 terms in the numerator is 22,275 divided by 7 into 4, which is 28. Let us try to divide the terms. We have 22,275 divided by 28. So 28 into 7 times is 196. The subtraction of the 2 terms gives the value as 26. Bringing 7 down, we have 28 into 9 times as 252. The subtraction of 2 terms is again 15. On bringing 5 down, we have 155. So we have 28 into 5 times as 140. The remainder now is 15. Putting a decimal, we have 150. Now we have 28 into 5 as 140. The remainder now is 10. Again having 0, we have 100. So we can say 28 into 3 times is 84. The final remainder is 16. So we can say the answer comes out to be 795.53 centimeters square. And we have the answer as the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella is 795.53 centimeter square. Now students, let us understand the sum based on the clock, which says the length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeters. That means the radius of the circle is nothing but the length of the minute hand, which is equal to 14 centimeters. We are supposed to calculate the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Let us observe the area which is swept by it in 5 minutes. It is nothing but equal to the area of the sector. And the formula for area of the sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Students, we already have the value of the radius, which is the length of the minute hand, but we don't have the value of theta. So let us calculate this value. So we will write the angle swept by the minute hand in one particular minute equal to 360 divided by 60, which is 6 degrees. Now we are talking about 5 minutes. So the angle swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 6 degree, which is equal to 30 degrees. Now students, as we have got the value of theta as 30 degrees, we can calculate the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, which is equal to area of the sector. Now it is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the values. We have theta is equal to 30 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square, and the value of radius is 14 into 14. On cancellation, we have 30 into 1 as 30 and 30 into 12 times as 360. Again further, 7 into 1 is 7 and 7 into 2 is 14. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 6 is 12. Further, 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 7 is 14. The product of the two terms in the numerator is 154 upon 3. The division gives us the answer as 51.33 centimeters square. So we can say the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeter square. Thank you.